Are you ready to embark on an unforgettable English learning journey? Today, we're diving into a heartwarming story that will not only expand your vocabulary, but also touch your heartstrings. This lesson is part of our Learn English with Movies series. We bring you the best movies to learn English. This series is perfect for intermediate learners who want to improve their English by watching and listening to real English conversations. And today we're going to learn English with the movie The Shack. It's a great movie based on a true story. Before we begin, make sure you hit that like button if you're excited about this lesson. Let's jump right in. Before we begin, let me tell you about the star of the show, our four-legged friend who's going to help us learn English. You might be thinking it's a dog or maybe a cat, but guess again. It's a donkey. Now, don't get me wrong. Donkeys are pretty awesome. They're known for being super strong and patient. But let's face it, they don't usually win any awards for being the most exciting animals. That's why when I heard about a donkey named Spirit, I thought, wow, this donkey is the real deal. Spirit is no ordinary donkey. He was born in South Africa in 2001, and from the moment he was born, he was meant for greatness. Okay, maybe I'm the one who thinks that, but hey, who am I to question a donkey's destiny? When Spirit was just a little guy, he ended up at an animal sanctuary. That's a place where animals go to get a break from the tough stuff in life. In Spirit's case, he was rescued because his tail had been cut off. Someone had actually chopped off his tail. Can you imagine how sad that is? Thankfully, the people at the sanctuary took good care of him, and he didn't have to go through any more pain. As time went on, the staff at the sanctuary started to notice something special about Spirit. He was super friendly and wanted to be a pal to everyone. Donkeys can be a bit stubborn sometimes, but not Spirit. He was always eager to please and loved getting pets and scratches. The folks at the sanctuary couldn't help but fall in love with him. One day, a lady named Colleen came across Spirit and instantly felt a connection with him. She adopted him and brought him to her horse trails. Here's where things got really interesting. Colleen's horse trails weren't just for any old horses. No, sir. These were therapy horses. Therapy horses visit folks in hospitals and nursing homes to spread some cheer and good vibes. When Colleen first started taking Spirit on these visits, he was a bit nervous. I mean, going into hospitals and nursing homes isn't exactly a walk in the park for a donkey. But he was eager to please Colleen and make her proud. And boy, did he ever do that. It turned out that Spirit was a natural at being a therapy donkey. Patients and residents absolutely adored him. His calm and gentle nature put everyone at ease, and he became a regular visitor at healthcare places around the area. Spirit wasn't just a donkey anymore. He was Spirit the Therapy Donkey, a true legend in his own right. So remember when I said Spirit was going to be a great animal? Well, I wasn't kidding. He has touched the hearts of countless people and shown us that even a simple donkey can make a big difference in the world. All right, now that you know the story, it's time to learn some English. Start with some useful phrases from the movie. Phrases 1. I never knew I could love like this. This is something people say when they realize they have deep feelings for someone or something. For example, when Colleen first met Spirit, she probably didn't think she could love a donkey so much. Phrases 2. Can I get some water, please? People use this phrase to ask for a glass of water politely. Phrases 3. Let's go check it out. This is what you say when you want to go see what's happening or when you're curious about something. Phrases 4. That's so sweet. When you think something is kind or nice, you can say that's so sweet. Phrases 5. Don't worry about it. If someone is worried or stressed, you can say this to tell them not to worry. Phrases 6. It's a long story. Sometimes people don't want to share all the details about something. In this case, Spirit probably has a lot of stories to tell. Phrases 7. That sounds amazing. When someone tells you something really exciting, you can say this to show you're impressed. Phrases 8. How about you? When someone asks you a question, you can end the question with how about you? To ask them the same question back. Let's move on to some sample conversations from the movie. Conversation 1. What's your name? My name is Spirit. My name is Spirit. That's how you introduce yourself and tell someone your name. Conversation 2. Hey, how are you doing? I'm fine. How are you? This is a polite way to greet someone and ask about their well-being. Conversation 3. Could you please help me? Sure. What can I do for you? In this conversation, someone is asking for help, and the other person is offering assistance. Conversation 4. Where is the bathroom? Excuse me, where is the bathroom? The bathroom is over there. This is how you ask for directions to the bathroom. Conversation 5. Do you have a minute? Yeah, what's up? When you want to talk to someone, you can say, do you have a minute? To get their attention. All right, now let's practice your listening skills. Listen carefully to the scene and try to understand what they're saying. And don't worry if you don't understand everything. That's why we have subtitles. Okay? Now it's time to check your understanding. Answer these questions to see how much you understood. Question 1. Where does Spirit live? Question 2. What does Spirit like to do? Question 3. How does Spirit feel about meeting new people? Now let's move on to a fun activity. Fill in the blanks with the correct word or phrase from the conversation. Conversation. Person A. Hi, my name is blank. Person B. Nice to meet you, blank. I'm from Brazil. Person A. Where are you? Blank. Person B. I'm a blank. Person A. What brings you to blank? Person B. I'm here on blank. Person A. That sounds blank. Person B. Yeah, it's been an amazing experience. All right, now let's check your answers. Answer key. Conversation. Person A. Hi, my name is blank. Person B. Nice to meet you. Blank. I'm from Brazil. Person A. Where are you? Blank. Person B. I'm a blank. Person A. What brings you to blank? Person B. I'm here on blank. Person A. Oh, that sounds blank. Person B. Yeah, it's been an amazing experience. Congratulations on completing another fantastic English lesson. I hope you enjoyed learning English with the inspiring story of a donkey who changed everything. Remember, you can find the full movie on various platforms. Do not forget to subscribe if you haven't already and turn on notifications so you never miss an update. Thanks for watching, and until next time, happy learning!